Did you forget that this is also a photography channel? Yeah, I kind of forgot to. But I look so like I belong here.
Photo edits by Kaphonie.
Oh, I bet that cow is feeling so good about itself. Nature photo shoot, part 1.
So, it's your outlet, Kaphonie. Some of you are probably familiar with some of those pictures because they were uploaded on my Kaphonie 64 account like years ago. But now I'm gonna repost them onto Kaphonie Photography because we're trying to do a Kaphonie Photography thing. So, I'm excited because we do have plans. Soon. Specific, interesting plans. Soon.
America, explain!
But I will not talk about them like right now in this video. That's like a future video. Like, there's more photography, nature pictures that we took, but of course I tried to make this video short instead of like long for you. If these clips were a little too fast for you, it's fine. You can just easily go into the links in my bottom down here, all up down there, and like you'll see like links to stuff to go and actually see the image in like full quality that's not in a YouTube video. Yeah, you know, if you're interested in seeing plants and that. But anyways, until next time, thanks for playing and control yourself. That was like the most awkward wink I've done so far. Ooh, come here, Wish. Control yourselves. Wink.